Hey everybody, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax on Wrightsville Beach. Got a beautiful brokerage listing to show you today. This one's a 2021 Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. Beautiful boat, loaded with options, low hours. Ready to tackle the day. Just a quick exterior walkthrough. Absolutely beautiful boat. This one's powered by twin 300 Verados, V8s. They are the joystick piloting. Loaded with just about every option from the factory. And also has aqua traction, custom made for this boat. Matches the light gray hull sides. Here we've got the port side entry dive door. Really nice cockpit here. Fold out aft bench seat. Of course, you've got your live well. One thing I absolutely love about this boat is the bilge access. Real heavy duty bilge door here. All of your batteries, battery charger, wiring harnesses, pumps, you name it. Easy access, very organized. Whaler does a great job with this. Then you've got both port and starboard side macerated fish boxes. And so you've got the ruler on the decking there. Moving forward to the helm, you got the touchscreen Raymarine MFD, Raymarine VHF. You got the Fusion stereo unit, Mercury joystick, trim tabs, LED indicators, all of your switches for lights and pumps and everything like that. This boat does have the radar. Looking on the port side, the boat is equipped. Nice size head here. Has a holding tank, overboard discharge, or pump out dockside. Make it easy for whatever kind of trip you're going on. And the fan favorite, award-winning adjustable seat. Whether you're cruising with the isinglass up or you take it off in the summer, you've got just about every option you can think of. One big lounge, aft-facing lounge, splitting in the middle. Real solid Whaler components here. Just how heavy this door is. The glass, stainless, fiberglass, everything is just real high quality. Fit and finish on this 280 Vantage is absolutely beautiful. Moving forward, got the big lounge area. Nice access here. Long storage for rods, reels, gaffs. This boat does have an anchor windlass as well as the bow boarding ladder. You've got controls of the windlass up here and at the helm. You've also got a freshwater shower for when you're climbing on from the beach. Again, real solid materials throughout the boat. All stainless components. The neat thing about the decking is that it wasn't only done on where you're stepping, but you can also take the cushions off and it's under all the cushions. Just showing you here. Nice little insulated cooler storage there. There you've got your dome radar. Storage beneath. Access to the other half of the storage, as well as another option for this. There's a ladder that connects in here and folds down, so there's easy access on and off the boat. You've got 3 different boarding ladders, one up on the bow, that removable one I just showed you at the side door, and then another stern ladder here. As you can see, this boat is loaded for fishing, but also very comfortable for the family just cruising around the waterway. Everywhere you look is something neat. You've got a freshwater sink, but also a cutting board if you flip it on the other side. Designated insulated cooler storage, so you don't have to take up more space on the deck for a cooler. Throw it all in there and it's nice and insulated. This boat does have an onboard battery charger. Keep everything nice and charged up when it's in the slip. You can see you've got your freshwater intake there. Cup holders, stereos, rod holders. This does have the upgraded stereo package, so I just showed you the 12-inch sub right there. More access to that forward locker. Real easy access to everything that you would need to work on. The boat that can do it all. The 280 Vantage. Could look at this boat all day. It's absolutely beautiful. You can tell the difference there. Under the boot stripe is the bright white. Then you've got the light gray gel coat, stainless steel rub rail. The boat does live in the water, so it is bottom painted. Absolutely beautiful boat. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, please give me a call on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2021 Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. Only about 72 hours on the motors. Loaded. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. You guys have a great day.